Mastering phrasal prepositions. Nail your English grammar. Hello language learners. Today we're diving into an essential topic of English grammar: phrasal prepositions. These are the cornerstones of making your sentences more engaging and dynamic. So, let's unravel the mystery of using phrasal prepositions correctly. First things first, let's define what phrasal prepositions are. They are groups of words that function as a preposition. They link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. Examples include in addition to, on account of, in front of, and many others. Their function is to provide additional detail and clarity in a sentence. Understanding how to use these prepositions correctly is vital. They should always be followed by a noun, pronoun, or gerund, a verb ending in ing that functions as a noun. For example, consider the sentence: in addition to playing soccer, John also enjoys reading. Here, in addition to, is the phrasal preposition and it's correctly followed by the gerund, playing. A common mistake is to follow a phrasal preposition with a verb. This is incorrect. Always remember, phrasal prepositions are followed by a noun, pronoun, or gerund. For instance, the sentence, I put the books in front of Reed, is incorrect. The correct usage would be, I put the books in front of me. To get more comfortable, we encourage you to practice using phrasal prepositions in your daily writing and speaking. Try to include different phrasal prepositions in your sentences. With time, you'll gain more confidence in using them correctly. That's all for today's lesson on using phrasal prepositions correctly. Remember, understanding and using phrasal prepositions can significantly enhance your English writing and speaking. Practice is key, and soon enough, you'll master this crucial element of English grammar. Keep learning and stay curious. See you in our next lesson.